We've had some great success with giveaways on Facebook. This is our third giveaway. We've tried to do one every month, so this is our third month of trying a giveaway. And each time we've learned some more. We've had success with all of them. All of them have generated leads and sales, but this one in particular has been doing quite well. We made a major change this time. Rather than using a lead page or a squeeze page on another website, we've put the lead page or the email form directly on our e-commerce website. So as you can see, we've spent just over $117 in ad spend, and we've generated over $7,000 in sales. This just so happens to be a retargeting ad. So these are people that have previously visited our website, but we are retargeting them on Facebook. We also have ads that are running that are cold traffic as well, and they are converting as well. We're getting leads from new people, and those are also making sales. So let's just go through the setup of this. We are going to go through a quick overview of what it looks like, and then just a quick overview of how we've actually set it up, each of the pieces of the puzzle. Our main goal for doing this is to generate leads. We want more email addresses so we can market to these people and turn them into customers. A secondary goal, of course, is to make sales. And we found with this retargeting ad and this giveaway that people are submitting their email address and they are making purchases while they are on our website. And that's the main reason why we want to keep these people on our e-commerce website. So the retargeting ad that you saw on the earlier slide is the Facebook ad, and the landing page is directly on our e-commerce website. The thank you page is also on our e-commerce website. We also have a 3-part email sequence. So once they've entered, they get an immediate email and then they drip out over a couple days. Let me show you what that email submit page looks like. And here it is. So as you can see, the image on this page right below the email is the same as what's used in the ad. So when the user from Facebook clicks on it and they get to this page, there's some congruency. It looks like they're in the right place. So they know that they're going to be entering into the surveillance system giveaway. Below the email submit form, that we have details of what they are going to be entering, what they're entering for. So all they have to do is type in their email address here and click sign up. Now, they are on our e-commerce website right now. So when they get to the next page, which is the thank you page, it will look similar. It'll have a similar type of layout, and they will know that they are still on our website. And this is the thank you page. It's just a simple category page for the type of item they entered. We could make this a lot prettier, and we really should, but the way it is right now, it's working. People are purchasing and they are entering. There's lots of calls to action here, so they can add these items to their cart, and there are many categories of other things that they can browse. So what we're finding is the retargeting ad is bringing people back to our website. They are entering into the giveaway, and then they're doing some shopping while they're here. It's more than paying for itself, and that's the ideal situation is that we're doing advertising that is generating a very good return on investment. So as I mentioned earlier, I'll just show you how this whole thing is put together. We use GetResponse for the web form code and for the autoresponder, and we use the Facebook conversion pixel so that conversion value shows up in the ad. And I think that's important because that way we know exactly how many sales we're getting from this ad, and it's very visible within the Facebook Ads Manager. So let's first go to GetResponse. We've just used the create a web form, just like you've seen in GetResponse and some of the other systems similar to GetResponse. And all we did was just pick a template and added our text and then we added the image. So when the user comes to this page, they know they're in the right place. Then on the next page, there is a place where you can copy this form code, and that can be pasted just about anywhere in your e-commerce or any other type of website. As long as it's someplace that you can put in HTML or JavaScript, this form should show up. So it's just very, very flexible, lets you put this form wherever you really want it to go. So there it is. That's the template that we used, and we did a little bit of modification to, and then we just pasted it into a page on our e-commerce website. And the last thing, and important, is to get this Facebook conversion pixel installed onto your website. So this gives us that visibility, so we know that whether or not we are getting a good return on our investment. So if you go into Ads Manager conversion tracking, you'll need to set up this conversion tracking pixel for your ad and get it installed first into the ad. And I pick a website checkout type of conversion tracking. And once that's in your ad, then you can go to Ads Manager conversion tracking, and it's multiple lines of script that gets copied and pasted into your website. But there's only one line that we need to modify. And now this is just for the sake of illustration. I've made this into 2 lines, but this ends up being 1 line in the script, just so it's more visible in this video. This is the way it comes directly from Facebook. And to add, so to get this, the dollar amount that we have in the up here, to get this dollar amount to appear, this in here needs to be modified. So I'm using BigCommerce for my shopping cart, and so I need to put, there's a parameter that I got from BigCommerce, and it's this right in here that's all in red, right in here, this red part. That needs to replace the 0 amount. And then if you're in Shopify, you use this parameter. So it's just about replacing this parameter with the correct parameter from your website. Now, for example, if you're selling a fixed cost item, you could just type that number in here and it would report back to Facebook. So what happens is once someone checks out on my e-commerce website, that being BigCommerce, at the point where they make a payment, it will show the order amount will be reported back to Facebook, and that's this amount right here. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. We're just taking people to our e-commerce website, and we've got the conversion pixel installed. Very simple funnel. Just going to a landing page on our e-commerce website with a thank you page on the e-commerce website, and we are tracking conversions. Now we know everything that's going on and how effective this is, not only for generating leads, but for generating sales as well. I'm always looking for new ways to improve on this type of system, so if you have any suggestions, I would very much appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching this video.